Hi there guys, and welcome to Capital A and welcome to my Forex Weekly. In these videos, each week that get released on the weekend, I will be reviewing some trades that I feel are the best things to look out for in the coming week. So again, I'll be reviewing some things that I've previously spoken about in other videos as well, so we can, stay up to date with how they're progressing and how these trading opportunities are just, really happening. So again, guys, if that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button in that corner, stay up to date with the channel, hit the notifications bell, so you can stay up to date with any content that I may post. Some of it does require immediate attention if you want to profit from the market. With that, let's get straight into it. Okay, guys, the first pair I want to look at is the pound CAD. Now, I mentioned this in a previous video, was talking about how I wanted to see price come lower into my retracement, the 62% retracement area, and then we get that higher push. So somewhere around the 173 level. I don't think we're going to get that as the structure looks like it's about to make a new high. However, I was noticing an area with my student, I think it was last Tuesday or Wednesday, and I just want to show you on the 4-hour time frame that I've been watching the 176 level and just noticing how price is coming up to the level, dropping, coming up to the level again towards the end of the week, and had a little reaction, and it's off of this imbalance zone here. Okay, so again, just monitor this one. We are expecting the pound to have another good week. So, that would go against what I'm saying now. But I'm looking at just a sell from the 176. Okay, so just let's see how that performs. I can see price. Obviously, I want it to come a lot lower. I'm still aiming for that 173 target, but it may just come from a bit of a higher zone. But this is where we're going to look at now for the week. We're going to monitor this. It's had a very good 8-hour start to, rejecting this area. And let's see if we can get a push from the 176 level. Okay, so just keep an eye on that one with a pound CAD. Okay, guys, the next pair I want to talk about is the pound USD. Now, recently caught some good sells from this area here, and we've just had price go up higher. And, if I just come onto the higher time frames, you'll notice we are very bullish. Okay, we are on a bullish run. The pound is beating up the dollar right now. Okay. Now, where can I see this reaching to before we can get a serious reaction? It's the 1.4 level, okay, off of this area here. I want to see price struggle up there, and, it's still got about 150 pips to that level. So what I'm going to look out for this week on the pound USD is I want to see the dollar have a good start to the week. Now, I've marked out 3 possible areas from a certain swing that I'm looking at, and I will need to see the dollar, like I say, have some strength. It could come down towards this 138, which is only 40 pips away. I'm not too bothered about that move, if I'm honest. The best thing I want to stick for is the 137 level. So if we are going to get price go to that 1.4, I want to see it come down first, where we can then get on the bus and ride up to that higher point. So I've just basically got 3 areas. If the 137 gets breached this week, then I'll be, watching this. If I move that up there, I'll be watching this area here around about the 136,500 to see if it's going to play off of my imbalanced box. So again, guys, just stay tuned on that one. That's the pound USD. Okay. Okay, this is probably going to be the most current thing for an intraday trade anyway. It's the Euro USD. So just want you to a quick reminder. I am still waiting on price coming a lot lower into this level here, around about the 1.17. And if I just quickly put my drawings back on. What happened on Friday was I mentioned in the midweek video that this is an area I'm looking at for the sell at around 121,500. Now, as you will see here, it came to 121,492. Not even a pip away, okay, from our entry. And I caught a decent move on it. I'm still in it now. It went 65 pips, okay? So I'm just going to see now. It shot up Friday afternoon, Friday evening. It shot up and it came back to the same area. So I'm going to just be watching this one, monitoring. I am saying that this is probably going to sell from this area. Okay, so just keep an eye on that 121,500. It might not come again. It might come to 121,400. But if you start to see it reacting, struggling to beat that area again, I do believe something's here, and I don't think it will go higher. Okay, so this is probably going to be my main focus for Monday. I'll be watching this hard. I want to see the dollar gain some strength. Keep an eye on this one. Could be a good move. Okay, guys, next one I want to talk about is the Euro Pound. Caught a good move on this recently. We're very bearish, so I'm pretty sure now that we're just going to keep heading down for a little while. And just showing you the daily picture here. I've been noticing this swing, this new low that's been made. And if I just come down to a 4-hour, what I saw last week was just price kind of threatening to come into my area, and it didn't. Around the 0.88 level, 0.88500 is where I'm going to be looking at. Now, what we're looking for is I want to just see price come up towards maybe the 88,200 off of this area, off of these candles, and then start to have a reaction, start to reject. Now, it could go, and this trade could become invalid for me very soon if a new low is made. If I start to see the euro having a good start to the week, then I'll be happy with my area being touched by at some point this week, and then getting a sell entry on this one. Okay, so again, guys, stay tuned on the euro pound. I can sense a good move here. It sort of stalled last week. Okay, so this is just building us up, building early sellers into the market. They're going to all get in. Stop losses are going to go up into this area. So I want to see price shoot up into it, and then let's see what happens from there. So stay tuned. Could be a good move. Okay, guys, just another quick thing to think about for this week. It's the gold pound. So I've mentioned this recently in I think a video about a week ago, 2 weeks ago. I was talking about the 1300 level, and I just want to see price dip into here and then get a push to the upside. So again, just looking at this 1300 point, be patient with this one. It's gold. It's very volatile. It's not for the faint-hearted. Just keep an eye on that area. What I'm trying to say to you is it had a reaction about a week ago. It looked good. It's had a little push with the bulls getting a hold of the market there. I'm now expecting to see the entry maybe this week, maybe early next week. I'm not touching this until it hits the 1300 mark, and then we're going to go from there. And I've actually got areas where I want to see price push into. So it could be a very strong move. Just remain patient on these ones. Again, don't pull any trigger early on the gold pound, okay? Okay, guys, for those of you who follow me, you know I've been watching this pair very intensely over the last year or so. So again, it's that 8,300 mark. We've had price actually come and hit my candle, and it started to have them good reactions. If I just come down to the 4-hour time frame, just to give you a clearer picture of once it's hit this level here, we've had a good reaction. Price has come again, struggled to go higher. However, now I feel it's going to go higher to my area, what we're talking about. So this is 82,800. I'm talking about a sell around the 8,300 mark, which is just up there. So this is going to be another one of my main focuses for this week, alongside the Euro USD. These are the things that I feel are going to be happening the soonest. So just keep an eye on that 8,300 mark. It could be 83, 83,500. There's going to be a long-term opportunity on this one. Okay, so again, just stay tuned. Keep an eye on the yen. I'm going to be monitoring the yen strength early this week. And again, just stay tuned. This could be a really monstrous trade. Okay, guys, that's all from me this week. If you like that, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's in that bottom right corner. And my main focus is keep an eye on the CADJPY, the Euro USD. Early in the week, could get some moves, okay? And I'll see you back here in the middle of the week where we review that and see how it's all gone. Take care. Be safe.